Rach, we've been dating for over a year now, and I think it's about time people met my beautiful girlfriend.
Rach? Who's Rach? What the? Singapore. It's currently 10:50 p.m. It's 3 hours and 25-minute flight between the Philippines and Singapore. So we literally just got here maybe an hour or so ago. And now we are outside, currently a couple blocks away from the hotel that we're staying at. And we're currently enjoying some street food here in the rain. Unfortunately, it's raining right now, but we're under some umbrellas. But yeah, it's really, really nice. What is this?
This is a satay, and
it's a what?
Satay, S-A-T-A-Y. Sometimes it can be chicken, it can be pork.
Okay. And we got
the barbecue pork belly.
We got the barbecue pork belly. And this is the rice. I've already eaten already, but this is our second round of this pork belly. I'm gonna be like Mark Wiens. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm trying it. So hot. Okay, so now we are currently walking back to the hotel. We just enjoyed some dinner after traveling pretty much all day. And we are staying at the Hotel Chancellor at Orchard. It's right across from the Concord, from the Concord Hotel and Shopping Mall. So this is what it looks like when you enter and you're walking. This is where the car would drive you. If you ever stay here, the car will drive you all the way here, and then it will park right here, drop you off, and then someone should be there to unload your luggage. Little India here in Singapore, and we're in the pop-up store sections of Little India where you can get a lot of great souvenirs for really great deals. So now we're currently in Bugis Street and there's lots of different stores here, lots of different quick food bites that you can eat while you're here, all at a really good discount. Again. Back there look really good. But we're moving. We're moving and we're moving and we're moving. Okay, so now we are making our way across the street and I believe we are walking towards the Albert Mall Tri-Shop Park. I'm assuming this because over there is this thing called the Albert Mall Tri-Shop Park sign. So whereas earlier when we were in a very Indonesian-centric area, because I see a lot of red and there's some oriental signs, I'm going to assume that we might be in sort of the Chinese-centric area of Singapore. The reason why there's a lot of dog-centric decorations is because it is actually the year of the dog in the Lunar New Year calendar. So, dog. New Year calendar. You can find what animal you are if you look on this chart, but I know that I am the year of the rooster because I was born in 1993. I'm the hawk. So these are my business horoscope, my work horoscope, my luck horoscope, my love life, family, and things to do horoscope. So if you see really closely, you can see that they're hanging their clothes on the clothesline outside of their apartment. See? Those are their clothes. Yeah, what happens when if that falls?
Oh my God.
Wow. Alright, so now we are making our way back to Bugis Street. I was right, we were at the Albert Mall Park place. What is that?
It's a big giant mango.
Is that a big mango?
Yeah.
Look how big that mango is.
Oh, there he is. Come on.
There he is! Oh! view behind me. We're gonna be there later tonight, but now we are about to go on a like river boat tour of Singapore. If I was having lunch here every single day and this was my view, like I wouldn't hate it. This is a great area. Like this is definitely my aesthetic, my vibe. This is quite the view. This is stunning. This is stunning. Just everything is just so sleekly designed and it's clean and there's a lot of food here and it's just nice. This is so great. This is so great. Oh, amazing, amazing, amazing. This is it. So currently doing the river cruise, getting a nice view of Singapore from the river. So we're gonna be there later tonight in the evening. Oh, they're gonna talk, okay. Okay, so we just got done with the river cruise. Now we're going off the ship.
Be careful,
What's your step? Oh, and
There we go. Oh, I could use for some refreshing ice cream now. Let's try this. Because that's just regular ice cream.
Huh?
Let's go here. Thank you for this. It's an interesting shape. So now we're at this place called the Promenade because it's just right by the river that we were just doing the river cruise on. But it's all these different food places like this hot dog, beers, and coffee. There's a, what is this called? Bayside Cafe and Bar. There's Frostbite, and then on the other side is the J-Cone. Before I got the ice cream. But there's this really interesting thing called Hong Kong Egget. I've never heard of it before. If any of you have, just leave a comment down below and let me know how that tasted. But yeah, this is just everybody here kind of walking around, eating and hanging out at the promenade. Right behind the promenade here is all the different banks and corporate offices just towering over all the other buildings. It was really interesting because during the river cruise, they said that back in the day, the higher your building was, the richer you were. It was sort of, the height of your building was a symbolism of your economic standing. So it's kind of fitting that the buildings of the banks here in Singapore are so tall because they represent wealth.
There's one thing, if you were to choose between the Empire State Building or this,
What's more impressive?
Uh-huh.
I mean, that's a ship though. But the Empire State Building is probably taller though, right?
Yeah.
But that's a ship.
No, but this one is an unusual.
Yeah, it's just...
Haven't you heard? You know when the boys from the ship, you know the books that we had.
Yeah.
There's a one that said that this one won an award for best like architectural.
Yeah, because it's just a ship on top of 3 buildings. So now I'm walking up to sort of like the main street, and I could see the Fullerton Hotel, which, ladies and gentlemen, is a 5-star hotel. We are not staying there because it's rather expensive, but take a look at that. That's the Fullerton Hotel. Our ride is here. Get in, Mom.